Open WebUI versus LibreChat. Which one is better? Let's find out. Open WebUI is a self-hosted, web-based interface that lets you chat with local or APIs connected LMS via Docker or PIP. It supports Ollama, OpenAI, compatible APIs, GPU acceleration, RAG tools, voice video, markdown, and user management features like granular permission. It is ideal for users wanting a rich offline multi-devices. However, setup can be complex and enterprise usage might require licensing for advanced branding feature. Now, let's talk about LibreChat. It is an open-source web-based chat app resembling ChatGPT, supporting multiple AI backends like OpenAI, Azure, and Ollama. It offers multimodal chat, code execution, conversational branching, image handling, RAG plugins, search, and multi-user support. It's enterprise-ready with email verification and customizable UI. On the downside, users occasionally report UI rough edges and it lacks some advanced offline features like voice calls. Now, let's compare them side by side. Open WebUI excels at local hosting. It offers granular roles, offline capability, and tight integration with self-hosted models. LibreChat shines with backend flexibility, multi-LLM access, advanced features like agent, code execution, and file image multimodality. Choose Open WebUI if you prioritize local performance and privacy. Pick LibreChat if you're looking for enterprise features, wider model support, and rich conversational tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching. Until next. Open Web